to San. This is the Navarra crew. The mother nga gisapot. So, diyan sa likod nga gisapot po din mi. Ang katsa pa ay hapiton mga ito pamigliluan. Hapiton pa na among alols and celebrity. We're going to Sunram for Lola celebration. Hello guys! Asan tama? We're in Calero! Sa amohang childhood where we have spent our whole entire childhood. And we're here. I miss this place, but so much has changed. Look! There before, kahawan pa kayo na. Di hapon, hawan pa kayo na. One plans. Now, kayo marag. It's a different lugar na. Everything feels strange.
20 years na ba dating sa Calero eh.
Yeah. Guys, this is my childhood home. Look at that. Congratulations, Lorin Andrea Bacarat Lloren. Our house looks so old now. I miss this place. Hello! Nag-stop over me. I got Masi. And nagpalit may puso. Yay! Guys, Masi sa liluan the best. Alim mo mga tama. Makaan kag Masi ma.
Ito like Masi.
Tani ka buki. Pakapinan daw. Wala, init pa.
Mama.
Ay, kami sa tabi.
Magpalit mami og lechon manok and liampo. Oh. The whole crew is here. Nana si Lula, ang birthday girl. Hi, La. Hi. Nati Richel.
Magigutom to nga. Hi. Pinawan si Bay. Gigutom ko. Hello. Nepuso na makikit sama.
Guys, pakan magpuso mi. Pikiwa mo ta pilang ipalit ni mama nga puso 30 nya. 10 mi kabuok. So tigtulo ra mi ka puso. So budget na.
Just orange
Okay, padalo mi sans guys. Mag-stop over me because we're gonna eat lunch. Ipalit si mama o additional nga puso. Padalo mi sans. Yan, napalit po si mama og tinapa? Is it tinapa? Is it tinapa nga fish?
Isda, nakikapaanan.
Unsa nang tinapaanan lang?
Isda,
Smoke, marakuan ba ka na, masya ka na, militsyon sa manang,
isda ba?
kasuhan ba, smoke fish.
Kayo.
Ah, so dili siya grilled.
Dili.
Mo din dili ko ganahan. Kailangan na itong balik guys, if lamianta. Pero before, nag-try ko murag langsihan ko. Sir Insans, mga mag-meet up daw with the family.
Palit ang dago ni mo.
Guys, we bought the pets. We brought the pets there. Di makitaan si Kiyo, but he is here. Kiki! We're here, Insans. Init kayo!
Hi guys!
Mga sa big lunch guys. It's so hot. Di mi manulot sa sands. Kaya naman ni food. Para makasave me. Okay, change of plans. Kainit kayo sa sands guys. Di mi diri manaon. Mangita may kakahuyan sa una. Kakahuyan sa una-unahan guys. Di mi ka enjoy
Kato din
some
mo
of
forest.
forest. Magaling, mangita galing.
Ay, dito.
I mean, baka nita ka.
Ay, may samok yan ay nag-vlog.
Yeah. Okay, mo ni ang government hospital sa Danao. Diha mitig pa enjoy ko antay baby sumapak.
Pinaka ni Stark.
Pinaka ni Stark ni hapon. Ni Stark tanan.
Oh, Stark yun.
Ay, dagan kitog memory si Stark town po. We miss Starky. So, unsa ni nga
Si
hospital?
Lula ra,
Pinaka ni
may
Stark
makulog
ay.
pati ako.
Wag yun.
Ako.
Cebu Province Hospital, Danao City. Pero napakan si mama ni Scooby. Dako kay ito iyang pa. Lain na lagi tanawan and siya pa drive siyang self. Napakan siya here. Dili man sa right as yung left wrist. And then gidagan siya sa kani sa Danao. And then siya pa drive. Mura jud siya. Na para bang. Anyway, sige na. Magkuha na ta.
Strong naman na.
Pa strong. Kung na di man may kibang mang drive ato.
Kung kaya nag-drive yan, nagkuhaan. Magsakit pang tiyan, mag-drive ay mo.
Ganon, hindi. Ayaw niyang magpa-grab. Magpa-drive na lang daw siya. Ayaw niyang mag-taxi, be. Auto. Anyway, dito sa aming kakahuyan, guys. Okay, guys. Pa. La. Okay, so we have stopped over. Ano na sila ate? Yay! We're gonna eat. Na-stop na medyo sa Kakahuyan, guys. Literal nga Kakahuyan. This is where we used to stop over when we would have lunches on the way sa north. Especially when we went to Carmen, Katmon, and everywhere. Sige, na sila. There they are. Yeah. Okay, goodbye. Hello, this is the MG crew with Kuya ER. Kuya, say hi. Okay. Tanaw na to who's inside. Di na sila mang naog? Mang naog? Hello.
Hello.
Nasa is diri guys. Gikulong. Hello, ipod. Nasa iyo. Punha. La.
Tagtangan din, diaper ni Kiki.
Alam mo, ambak na lang. Kasi baligyan ni mo, sir. Si AC. Hey!
Yambak siya, nakawas siya sa balay. Dito ko bagay.
Yan ka mapalit, ma'am?
Dali lang, tapila na.
For free.
For free.
Okay. Mahal.
Okay guys, mga onami. Asa mo to ang food? Sige, layo kayo iparkingan sa ilahan. Sige. Our menu is... Ang menu kay... Menu is... Lechon and tinapa. Okay, nangaon namin guys. Kinawboy style. Dali ba? Nutukan na siya guys. Guys, nutukan na siya.
Ano na ibutang na?
Okay, manami og lunch. Nagsitot na ko. Uy, hello. Asa mo waste? Nalitad. Nag-connect pa siya. Padulong nami sa Elegant Beach Resort. 2 hours and 14 minutes away. So, basin mga 4 na may mabot dito. Okay. We'll update you when update. Basta mabot na ba dito? Okay, goodbye. Ang cake na ni Ted. Busy. Guys, na namin sa Katmon. Kabuhiin yung vlogger. Ha?
Ito kainit ba? Sawa, bibingka. Nadapit ang tapos ka o budbud.
Bita, no? At bang?
At bang babingka, budbud o
Hindi
bibingka.
kita. Ito na at bangan. Pasko lang. Liurin.
Yurin. Okay guys, we're almost here. 14 minutes away. We're tailing Kuya ER and Ate Christine. Sila mo nauna. Kaya nanangid sila nga overtake sila kanina. So, overtake siya sila.
You have reached your destination.
Na, iligan mo bench racer na.
Parking. Hello. Abot namin guys. What a long journey. We're here. May mga people here. Hindi na siya exclusive. But we're here to spend the night. It's so far. Naalagay, dagat si Lula. Concerned kayo sa dagat, oh.
Amula ka pa rin taga to.
Oh, exercise ba? Exercise.
Magkamang.
Happy birthday.
Maglupad.
Bro, padung bagyo lang.
Ansay, musta? Birthday girl. Pila edad din mo tomorrow la?
77.
Wow.
Hi.
Okay, so nabot namin guys. We're here. Oh my god. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, the rooms are here. I will claim this. Hariko's edge. Okay. Pili lang. Sakto mo yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Sakto ra. Okay, this is my spot. Okay. This is the butangan sa cabinet. And then the bathroom. This looks nice. Sink. Multiple sink. Okay guys, so I've changed into my outfit. I don't know if y'all can see. Balhin ta sa other side. Like, wait lang. Okay, so this is the fit. Top and bottom, it's a set guys. This is from Shein, I think. I'm not sure. This is in the color green. I'm still super busog guys. Gikan ko eat sa I ate when I arrived nikaon ko stick o daghan, then nikaon ko cheese rings sa kapak, and then spaghetti. Daghan kayo po pinaakan sa no guys, what the freak. I don't know if y'all can see, but like nasa sa akong likod. Okay sa tanan. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, I'll get ready. Kadyo, like super simple lang. I'll get ready and then mag-makeup for pictures and then help na mag-prepare. Nalako pa sila mama because they're gonna buy like uling and stuff. Okay. Bye. Wow! Ready to slay, ready to suba. Mag-help sa ako prepare. Hello guys! So magawas ta. It's currently raining. May mga nagsugba diri. Giuwanan mi. Pero ang nagsugba. Oh. So, tao-tawaran pa dyan nitong dinner. Ano? Dati kay lighting. Kana lang. Very moody ang lighting. Okay. Ay, bali. Oh my gosh. We're going out. It's so mahangin here, guys. Makik-tiktok ko sa akong manghod nga panagsara masugot mag-tiktok. It's raining. And because ko kay walay wifi sa among accommodation. So, I'm trying to look for Jello, but this freaking flashlight is blinding me. But it's so nice here, guys. It's just the weather isn't the most ideal right now. Kenneth! I don't know where he is. Okay, wait. Let's find him. Oh, I see them. Pwede sila na siya. Kasagot ko ng bibengka. Oh, tara ko mga please. Okay, guys. We're off to the sea. The sea is there. Kusog kayo ang wind. Oh, that's an spring here. Hopefully tomorrow the weather will clear up para ma-enjoy na rest of the stay. We're planning to take a dip sa pool later. Later na lang. Okay. Alright. Tada! Saw him.
Hello.
Mo ni among gwapa nga tigsug ba? Ihaning timpla guys. Say hi ma. Tara oh. Hey. 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 Napumidaghan sa ko. Kami?
Kami? Wow, nahing nagluto dahil?
Yeah, actually.
Kumusta naman ang dihama? Luto na?
Pakita ang mga food. I'm slicing the baboyans, guys. Pero naputi ang bag.
Totoo. Kunin mo lasudan.
You. Okay, guys. Muna yung mong prep. Pork. Grilled pork belly. Spaghetti ni Ami. Hot dog chorizo. Demolished cake. Watermelon for dessert. Is the grilled fish. Manok. And our very yummy sausawan.
with our extra puso and rice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Wish la wish.
Wish ka another 77 years.
Dili, balik si Lolo.
Yay! Mga ono, mga ono. Okay, mag-slice na ang lola sa cake.
Kaya mga umi balik. Tana. Ambak na.
Yay! Okay, pwede na tayong kumain sa cakey. Okay, thank you la. Smile la, smile. Okay, hello guys. Manamig dinner kadali. Mag night swimming ta. I bought beer. Brought beer. Took off my glasses. Ay, napili ko to. Okay, bye.
Hello. It's very cold.
Okay guys, change of plans. Di ko mong saom. Kay tugnaw kay sa tanan. Asa kandingon, nag-drink ako og flavored beer. This is apple flavor. Muna kong favorite na ng flavor sa beer. Ug katong lychee. Di ko mainom og beer, nga beer lang. Mainom ko basta flavored. Pero if dili, no thank you. Okay, dili siya enjoyable for me. It's disgusting.
Di picture ita na nagkuan ko beer ha. Isagwa ko din mo beer.
Ikaw chasers. Oh, yan oh. Oh, pack. Oh, pack. Oh, pack.
Picture na kag beer ha.
Buat ko 10,000 kaya ko apod-apod ninyo.
Good morning. Sabi mo good morning na.
Good morning! I love you, Apo. Salamat. Salamat ninyo. Salamat ninyo, Daya. Salamat. I'm happy. Happy.
Happy and young and free. Mga pig pa ni si Lula.
Mana po kape.
Tama na day. Good morning guys. Ha?
Ikaw na po dyan po.
Ah! Dali ah.
Dali ba?
It's currently 7 a.m. Just woke up. It's very gloomy still. But like, I wanna ligo sa dagat later. And take pictures, I guess. Okay. Kiyoshi! Okay guys, my ate went to the mercado and they bought bibingka. Yay! I think one of their breakfast today. And the lovely couple are cooking, reheating spaghetti.
Good morning. Good morning.
This is the outfit guys. Mag-outfit check tayo. Black bikini is from, ano siya guys? Black bikini is from Shein, short is from Shein, bag is from Astrid, Crocs is from Crocs, Crocs is from Crocs PH.
What are you
Ay,
scared of?
pamilya ka na lumot ha. Ay.
Hello, oh my gosh, it's so hot. I'm gonna go down to the pool. Maligo siguro. It depends. It's so freaking hot. I wanna take pictures though. Okay. Very hot means very good lighting. Like, I've put on sunscreen. Karoon ako na ano guys, na-revive kay my stomach was hurting so much. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Kunti and I think I have ulcer, but I don't know.
Okay, ito na po sila. Dian! Ted! Dian! Hello! Musta naman ang swimming? Bye! Ato na tantanan, uy. Say bye. Bye.
Konnichiwa.
Say bye, la. Bye, pag bye, la.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, guys. We're going home. Check out sa amin. Doon na mig-load sa among stuff sa car. Dito pa siyang persons. Naka-remembrance pinaakan.
Wala. Asa ba na tawel?
Go na mi guys. Bye-bye. Bye. We're going home. Di mo duty pa later. Bye. Okay.